Giang Loop Survival Guide. Everything first-timers must know. Are you thinking about riding the Giang Loop? Before you jump on a motorbike and hit the road, watch this clip first. Because this is not just another scenic ride. It's one of the most challenging and unforgettable adventures in Vietnam. The Giang Loop is famous for its jaw-dropping mountain views, winding passes, and raw, untouched beauty. But for first-timers, it can also be risky if you're not prepared. In this survival guide, I'll cover everything you need to know, from permits and routes to weather, safety, and packing tips, so you can enjoy the journey the right way. 1. Travel permits. Don't skip this step. Before starting your journey on the Giang Loop, make sure you have your travel permit. This is required for all foreign travelers, especially when visiting border areas near China. You can easily arrange it in Giang City through your hotel or a local tour agency. It usually costs around $10 and all you need is your passport. The process is quick and simple. Without this permit, you may be stopped at police checkpoints along the way, which could delay your trip. 2. Route. How many days do you need? The classic Giang Loop typically takes around 3 to 5 days, depending on your travel pace and how much time you want to spend enjoying the journey. For first-time travelers, a popular route begins with a transfer from Hanoi to Giang, continuing on to Quan Ba on the first day. From there, the journey moves through Yen Minh to Dong Van on day 2, followed by a scenic ride from Dong Van to Mio Vac before returning to Giang on day 3. On the final day, you travel back to Hanoi, completing the loop. Along the way, you'll encounter some of the most breathtaking highlights in northern Vietnam. The legendary Ma Pi Leng Pass offers dramatic views and is often considered the most spectacular road in the country. The Dong Van Karst Plateau showcases stunning limestone landscapes recognized as a UNESCO Global Geopark, while the awe-inspiring Tu San Canyon stands as the deepest canyon in Southeast Asia. Take your time, soak in the scenery, and don't rush. This journey isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about fully experiencing the beauty of Giang. 3. Weather. Expect the unexpected. Weather in Giang can be unpredictable, changing quickly, even within a single day. The best time to visit is from October to April, when the weather is cooler and skies are generally clearer. From May to September, the landscapes turn lush and green, but heavy rains are frequent. Fog, slippery roads, and low visibility are also common, especially in the mountains. So always check the forecast before you go and be ready for sudden weather changes. 4. Safety. This is not for a newbie rider. Let's be honest, the Giang Loop is not an easy ride. You'll face sharp curves, steep mountain passes, and narrow roads where trucks and buses can appear at any moment. After rain, the roads can quickly turn wet, muddy, and dangerously slippery. So if you're not confident riding a motorbike, it's simply not worth the risk. A much safer option is to ride with an experienced local guide or choose a private car where you can enjoy the scenery in comfort and complete peace of mind. 5. Packing tips. Travel smart. When riding the Giang Loop, packing smart can make a big difference. Make sure to bring a waterproof jacket or a rain poncho, as the weather can change quickly in the mountains. Warm clothes are also essential, especially in the early mornings and evenings when temperatures drop. Wear comfortable, sturdy shoes if you plan to do some walking or trekking along the way. Don't forget sunscreen and sunglasses to protect yourself during long hours on the road. It's also important to carry enough cash, since ATMs are limited in remote areas. And remember, travel light with a small backpack to stay comfortable throughout the journey. And here's a bonus tip. Always bring a power bank. You'll definitely need it for navigation and capturing those incredible moments. 6. Pro tips you shouldn't ignore. Start your ride early in the morning to avoid fog and traffic, and to enjoy better lighting along the way. And remember, Never ride at night. Refuel whenever you get the chance, because gas stations can be few and far between in remote areas. Make sure to download offline maps like Google Maps so you don't get lost when there's no signal. Always respect local cultures and ethnic communities because you're traveling through their home. During peak season, it's best to book your accommodation in advance to avoid last-minute stress. And most importantly, take your time. The Giang Loop is not a race, it's an experience to truly enjoy. Giang Loop without the stress. Travel safely with local experts. The Giang Loop is truly a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, but to fully enjoy it, preparation, safety, and choosing the right way to travel make all the difference. If you'd love to explore Giang without the risks of riding a motorbike yourself, Golden Holiday Travel is here to help. With safe and comfortable private car tours, experienced local drivers and guides, and flexible itineraries designed around your pace, you can experience every breathtaking moment without the stress. Let the experts handle the road, while you simply relax and take in the incredible scenery. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Vietnam travel tips and adventures. And when you're ready, contact Golden Holiday Travel today to start your Giang journey the right way.